Warm welcome to Career Aadhaar. This is Advocate TOUFIK M. So in this video, I will discuss here one legal update and one legal news is there regarding the Parliament. So let us start today. In this video, I will discuss here features of the new Parliament House. How was the new Parliament House is there? So let us start today. There is a new Parliament House. Is the area of that house is that 65,000 square meter is the area for the new Parliament House, and it is a triangular shape Parliament House is there, and working for the assemblies. And the we all know that there are two houses there. One is Lok Sabha and another is Rajya Sabha. So let us we will discuss one by one. In the new Parliament House, there are 888 seat is there for the member of Parliament, and the based on the theme is that peacock theme is there, and another is Rajya Sabha house is there. So in this house there are 380 seats available for the member of Parliament, and the theme is based on the lotus theme is there for the Rajya Sabha. We all know that there is one provision regarding joint sitting is there. When Lok Sabha speaker call the joint sitting, that time Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha members are come together for the joint sitting. There are 1,272 seats are there in the Lok Sabha for the joint sitting is there, and it is a sophisticated audiovisual system is available in the new Parliament House, and also superior library experience is also there, and also we all know that there is a eco-friendly system is the need of today. So in this house also eco-friendly system is available is there, and also Divyang friendly facilities are also available in the new Parliament House. So new Parliament is great for India, and also I will attach in this video one glimpse of the new Parliament House. So thank you for watching Career Aadhaar. Thank you once again. If you like our content, subscribe to our YouTube channel and share our YouTube video. So thank you for watching Career Aadhaar. Thank you once again.